Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. I mean, the market has taken a really strong shift. As you can see, everything is in red other than some AI tokens which have pumped today. If we talk about Doge, it's actually holding on to its price very well. Now also, if we talk about the trading volume, it actually has gone up significantly as the trading volume has hit over 3 billion. Now Binance has just added some key margin pairs for Dogecoin. At the same time, if you zoom out, the candles are starting to look really good for the Dogecoin price to go up, and SpaceX just announced that they're getting ready to launch their rocket. Will this be something towards Doge 1? Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It will just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. There is more social engagement happening with Dogecoin, and then obviously the price will go up because more people will be talking about it. They decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up, and all of us make a lot of profit. Now I always say, not just me, all the Dogecoin supporters, you gotta support them, because more social engagement and more noise we make, the more chances of Dogecoin blowing up. Not just Dogecoin, any crypto, that's the best way to make it blow. Now let's talk about Dogecoin specifically right now. As you guys can see, at one point the difference between Cardano and Dogecoin was very limited, but now there is a very clear difference in the market cap. Dogecoin is sitting on the 8th spot very comfortably, and Cardano is about 3 billion market cap away. Now keep in mind, we're actually closing in very close to USDC, and if the price does not take a really big fumble right now, trust me, the price will catch up to USDC and XRP very soon, and we will make it into top 6. One thing I do want to mention is you can see overall the market is actually down quite significantly, but you can notice that Doge is only down 1%. What's the craziest part is we are finally at a stage where we are holding on to the 18-cent resistant barrier. We didn't get rejected, and at the same time, if you pay attention, Doge is actually holding above the 18-cent barrier. That means now we can actually comfortably say we can use that as a support zone. If we're able to just use the 18-cent as a support zone and just consolidate around this zone while Bitcoin halving event in April starts, trust me, 1st of April is going to shock the world with the rate at which Dogecoin is going to go up. Especially, let's talk about Binance. They just added some key, and I'm talking about key margin pairs. Now if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, you can see new news trading pairs isolated margin. The one that they're talking about is Doge USDC. This will just allow more people to be able to trade Dogecoin, and I mean the open interest for Dogecoin is over $1.2 billion, and this will allow the open interest to even go higher. Now for the people who do not know what open interest is, it pretty much just means it's something that is actually being traded. So that's just the positions that's being held by traders, not the people who are holding on to the actual token. Now these people can be liquidated if the price actually falls too below, because they will be leverage trading. It can be up to 100x. Zooming out, quarterly candle closes this week. What an incredible development in the Doge price ahead of the X payments. Next quarter should put the beast to $1. I mean, it is really interesting to see the way Doge is actually climbing, because X payments, this is just a rumor. Now imagine when the rumor comes real. Now the reality can be very close. By very close, I mean 31st of March, you wake up in the 1st of April and you realize that X Payments has just made their first post on Twitter, and that post consists of Dogecoin. I mean, if you guys do not know, right now X Payments have still not done any post at all. Now this is Starship fully stacked in CGI IRL, and our boy Elon responded by saying yeah. Now another thing which is interesting, which I want to mention, is right now Dogecoin price, as I mentioned, it's in a really good state. We just need to make sure that we are able to stay above the 18-cent zone while the RSI is still sitting in the middle, because therefore when the price actually starts climbing, there will be much more room for it to grow. Now Dogecoin completed its highest daily close far this year. Bullish momentum continues to build for this dog. Once it gets going, it will hard to stop it. I mean, it is correct. You can see that the rate at which you know, like the overall purchase power and the amount of whales that are trying to do their transactions to try to make most profit from Doge is kind of crazy. And 4 days away from confirming a monthly buy signal on the monthly super trend indicator. Bulls need to maintain the current price level. Exciting times ahead. If we're just able to break above the sell pressure and stay above it, trust me, this is going to be the time that will make generational wealth for a lot of people. Because what I'm trying to say is this has only been declined by Doge 4 times in its past, and since it does that, it goes very explosive. And let's just say 15th of March has been very important date for the Dogecoin price to take a really strong, you know, just take off in the uptrend. So 15th of April is not very far, and also the trend is also showing something similar. Now, talking about Doge designer, today he tweeted this out about Mark Zuckerberg. Facebook snooped on user Snapchat traffic in secret project, and let's just say Elon responded by saying not out of his character. Now, the difference between Elon and Mark, it's really getting different, but at the same time, you know, it's just crazy that Elon's responding to Doge designer. Gives you more perspective what he's paying attention to right now. Dogecoin price, whale shift is $180 million worth of Dogecoin. Is the price going to be hitting the 26 cents mark very soon? Well, keep in mind 18 cents was really important. We hit that. Now we just need to consolidate on top of that, while Bitcoin is trying to find this direction. Soon as Bitcoin does any sort of 5 to 10% increase in a day, Doge is going to fly all the way to 26 cents, and you will be surprised why you didn't just buy more. That's all I'm going to say. That's the best way to put it. Now, will Doge price top at $1 with this break? I mean, the rate at which we're going, the maximum price to reach is 34 cents by the end of 2024. But is the dollar mark not far? I personally think 100% it is not far at all. Now, Dogecoin price surge indicates a potential mega rally that's just building up. I mean, do you even need to see? If you just look at the chart, it looks so healthy, and at the same time breaking above the 18-cent mark. What else do we need? Because that was one of those factors that was actually holding down the Dogecoin price quite significantly. Now, these 4 Doge on-chain metrics point to an exponential growth in the Doge price very, very soon. Doge price is edging closer to breaching the 18-cent resistance level, and after that, the transaction count and the large transaction age consumed indicators hint at a potential shift in the momentum favoring the bulls. The MVRV ratio indicates that the short-term outlook is bullish as well. Now, this is showing you a perspective how much everyone is waiting for Doge to just explode, and the next explosion is going to send us to 26 cents, and if you just do your simple maths, that's close to a 33% increase from where we are sitting right now. So I know you guys are excited. Be excited. I hope you did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.